Creativity and style in wood chair designs represent a fascinating intersection of artistry, functionality, and cultural expression. As one of the most fundamental pieces of furniture in human history, chairs carry significant cultural weight and history, offering a canvas for innovation and personal expression. Wood, as a material, lends itself beautifully to the creation of chairs that are not only functional, but also serve as artistic statements. The creative potential in chair design can be seen in various elements such as shape, form, finish, and construction techniques. The evolution of chair design reflects broader movements in art and architecture, while also addressing human needs and ergonomic considerations. Historically, chairs have ranged from simple, utilitarian structures to elaborate, ornate pieces that reflect the craftsmanship of their time. In contemporary contexts, designers are exploring new ways to reinterpret traditional forms, creating chairs that range from minimalistic elegance to bold, sculptural statements. The creative process involved in crafting these chairs often begins with an exploration of form and function, balancing aesthetics with comfort and usability. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wood chair design ideas you can consider adding to your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Simplicity and minimalism have emerged as dominant themes in modern chair designs. The aesthetic appeal of clean lines and unembellished forms resonates with contemporary sensibilities, where less is often more. Designers are distilling the chair to its essential elements, focusing on the purity of form and the inherent beauty of wood. This reductionist approach allows the natural characteristics of the wood, such as its grain, texture, and color, to take center stage. By emphasizing these qualities, designers create chairs that celebrate the material itself, fostering a connection between the object and the environment. Ergonomics plays a crucial role in creative chair design, as the shape and dimensions must cater to the human form while also reflecting stylistic inclinations. Designers often experiment with contours and curves that not only enhance aesthetic appeal, but also improve comfort. Soft, organic shapes can create a welcoming atmosphere, inviting people to engage with the furniture. This harmonious relationship between form and function is essential. A chair that is visually stunning but uncomfortable will ultimately fail its purpose. Thus, the challenge lies in integrating beauty with practicality, and many designers find this balance through innovative forms that embrace the body's natural posture. The craftsmanship involved in chair making is also a significant aspect of creative expression. Artisans employ various techniques to manipulate wood, creating a wide array of textures and finishes that enhance the visual appeal of the piece. Traditional joinery methods, such as dovetail and mortise and tenon joints, reflect a commitment to quality and durability. However, modern designers often experiment with new materials and techniques, integrating technologies such as CNC machining to achieve precision and allow for complex forms that were previously difficult to construct. This blending of traditional craftsmanship with modern technology not only challenges conventions, but also expands the possibilities of what a wooden chair can be. Sustainability has become a driving force in contemporary wood chair design as well. Designers are increasingly mindful of their environmental impact and often seek out responsibly sourced materials or reclaimed wood. This commitment to sustainability not only resonates with eco-conscious consumers, but also adds character to the pieces themselves. The story behind the wood, whether it comes from a fallen tree, a salvaged piece from an old building, or a sustainably managed forest, can play a pivotal role in the narrative of the chair. By highlighting these stories, designers imbue their work with a deeper meaning, reflecting a broader societal trend towards sustainability and awareness of ecological footprints. Cultural influences significantly shape the creative expressions found in wood chair designs. Different cultures have their unique traditions, styles, and crafts that inform chair construction. For instance, Scandinavian design emphasizes simplicity and functionality, often showcasing natural wood finishes that highlight the material's beauty. In contrast, Japanese design reflects a philosophy of balance and harmony, featuring low-profile chairs that blend seamlessly with the aesthetics of natural landscapes. This cultural interplay brings rich dimensions to chair design, allowing for a fusion of techniques and styles that can lead to innovative outcomes. The role of creativity in chair design is also evident in the use of color and finish. While natural wood tones are often favored for their classic appeal, designers are increasingly exploring painted or stained finishes that add a contemporary twist. This shift allows for a broader range of expression, as colors can evoke specific emotions or complement the overall decor of a space. The choice of finish can have a profound impact on the aesthetic, transforming a simple wooden chair into a refined, stylish piece that resonates with modern trends. Furthermore, contemporary chair designs often embrace a sense of playfulness and experimentation. Designers are willing to push boundaries, creating chairs that defy conventional expectations in terms of shape, structure, and materials. This boldness can lead to whimsical designs that ignite curiosity and invite interaction. For example, chairs that intertwine or overlap suggest movement and fluidity, drawing attention to the relationship between form and space. Such innovative approaches engage users visually and physically, making the act of sitting a more dynamic experience. Another significant aspect of creativity in wood chair design is the exploration of hybrid forms. By merging traditional wood construction with other materials, such as metal, fabric, or plastic, designers can elevate chair designs to new levels of sophistication. These hybrid pieces often combine the warmth of wood with the sleekness of metal or the softness of upholstery, creating a diversified aesthetic appeal. This synthesis of materials not only enriches the design but also expands the functional potential of chairs, making them versatile enough to suit various environments and purposes. In addition to aesthetics and functionality, the emotional resonance of a chair design cannot be overlooked. Chairs often hold personal significance, becoming part of everyday rituals, gatherings, and memories. Designers who recognize this emotional aspect often create pieces that evoke nostalgia or a sense of belonging. By tapping into shared experiences and cultural narratives, they can forge a deeper connection between the chair and its users. This emotional investment enhances the chair's value, transforming it from a mere object of utility into a cherished part of the home. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wood chair design ideas you can consider adding to your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.